Yeah, I think this is always the challenge is, they've had a game and we're going in without a game, so we have to make sure our training is physical. And today was a physical training session, getting the players ready. Had a lot of contact and physical preparation. So, it's always, with Tonga and Samoa starting with the game. Last year we started with the game and then we had our bye. This year we've got our bye starting and then now we're starting this weekend. So our training has to marry up our physicality to get us ready for the weekend. I think, it's funny when we come to these press conferences because it sounds very much cliched, but it's not, because the game's a pretty simple game. It doesn't change from week to week. So we are focused really strongly on our ability to hold on to the ball, control possession, and be physical and embrace ourselves for the physical contest. Basically you could, push rewind and push repeat next week as well, because the game is that. The game doesn't change much, and we don't want to get too far away from the fact that we maintain possession and we're physical and work hard around the breakdown. The other area that we'd like to do is have good quality set piece to give us the starting platform. But we know that if we can hang on to the ball and be physical around our breakdown area, both attack and defence, then we give ourselves the best chance of performing well. Being able to start the PNC at home is a good thing, and as you say, Tonga did well last week, and we've been preparing for them, and they certainly presented themselves well on the weekend. So being in front of our home crowd will help us, and we're looking forward to a lot of noise and a lot of blue flags.